Dear God, if one day I lose my hope and purpose, give me confidence that your destiny is better than anything I ever dreamed. Life without God is like an unsharpened pencil, it has no point. You may feel lost and alone, but God knows exactly where you are, and He has a good plan for your life. If you walk with God, you will always reach your destination. You can hate me, or you can love me, but in the end, only God can judge me. God represents Himself through people who have lived according to the way He intended. God sometimes takes us into troubled waters, not to drown us but to cleanse us. God is like the wind. We can't see Him, but we know He's there. Commit your work to the Lord and He will crown your efforts with success. God answers all prayers, it's just that sometimes His answers aren't what you want. God always listens to your prayer. Only we have to be patient for the answer. God is always with us, like when you get scared, God is right there to hold your hand. God gave me nothing I wanted. He gave me everything I needed. We should not bend God's word to fit our lives. We must bend our lives to fit God's word. God is like the parent, and you are His child learning how to walk. He's far away watching you, so when the day you fall or stumble, He's there to catch you. God will appear in a face you will imagine Him to be, so don't be scared if you imagine Him as your friend. Like the video if you believe.